Hey everybody, welcome back. In this following video, I'll show you how can you fix iMessage not working on iPhone. If you're facing issue with the iMessage not working on iPhone, then you could follow these steps. So what you want to do is, first of all, you want to go to the settings and then then scroll down to the bottom and go to iMessage. When you go to message, then you want to click on it. As you do it so here, you want to go ahead and make sure to toggle the button for iMessage and make sure to click on send and receive and toggle the button for that as well. After you've made changes with this, exit out of this page and then you could actually restart your device and see whether the issue fixes or not. However, if that's not the case, you could also go ahead and check your internet connection. For that, you want to go to settings once again and you want to go to Wi-Fi. After you go to Wi-Fi, then see whether you're connected to Wi-Fi or not. You could also try reconnecting it or disconnecting it first of all, and then reconnecting to the better network or stable internet connection. That should be able to fix the issue. So these are some of the ways to fix iMessage not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.